Let's talk about the AWTURBO W11202789 refrigerator ice bin auger motor. This part is like the unsung hero of your ice maker. It ensures ice cubes actually get dispensed. If your ice maker isn't working, this might be the culprit. Furthermore, it's compatible with many brands. These include Whirlpool, Kenmore, and Maytag, so it's a versatile replacement part. This Whirlpool ice bin auger motor is designed to replace several part numbers. For instance, it replaces AP6327333 and W10225313. It also replaces WPW10225313, 4591223, and PS12349163. Therefore, finding the right fit is often straightforward. Essentially, it's the engine that drives your ice delivery. When your ice maker stops working, it can be frustrating. However, replacing the Whirlpool ice bin auger motor can often fix the problem. This AWTURBO part is a direct replacement. Its installation usually isn't overly complex. Many online tutorials can guide you. Moreover, it saves you money compared to a new refrigerator. It also prevents the waste of a perfectly good appliance. Consequently, it's a smart repair choice. This motor is crucial for ice dispensing. It literally pushes the ice forward. Without it, your ice bin becomes just a cold storage. Therefore, consider this replacement part if your ice maker is acting up. Overall, the AWTURBO W11202789 refrigerator ice bin auger motor is a vital component. It breathes new life into your ice maker. Furthermore, it offers wide compatibility. This makes it a convenient option for many households. Hence, if your ice is stuck, this motor could be the solution. Ultimately, it's a small part, but it plays a huge role. This Whirlpool ice bin auger motor keeps your drinks cold. It ensures you have ice when you need it. Therefore, don't underestimate its importance. Indeed, it's a worthwhile investment for a malfunctioning ice maker. Pros: massive customer base, growth tools at your fingertips, convenience of Amazon FBA, trust and brand authority, international expansion, visibility on search engines, user friendliness, access to Prime members, faster shipping at lower rates, improve sales and visibility, little to no customer queries features. Direct fit for Whirlpool, compatible with Kenmore, works with Maytag, replaces AP6327333. Replaces W10225313, replaces WPW10225313, replaces 4591223, replaces PS12349163 refrigerator. Ice bin part. Powers ice auger. The AWTURBO W11202789 ice bin auger motor is a part for your refrigerator. It helps the ice dispenser work by powering the auger that pushes out the ice. This motor is a direct fit for Whirlpool refrigerators and also works with Kenmore and Maytag models. It can replace several different part numbers, including AP6327333 and W10225313, making it a versatile repair option. The AWTURBO W11202789 refrigerator ice bin auger motor works with many popular refrigerator brands, like Whirlpool, Kenmore, and Maytag. This product benefits from being sold through Amazon FBA, which helps it reach a lot of customers. This means more sales and better visibility because it gets seen by many people, including Amazon Prime members. Selling through Amazon also makes shipping faster and cheaper. and it leads to very few customer questions or issues.